guys, I'm back with another video. This is a mini tutorial today for Valentine's Day. I'm starting out with my e.l.f. Poreless primer. Y'all know I love e.l.f. Just gonna get started on my brows, and I'm not talking the whole way through because this is a mini tutorial, so enjoy. For concealer today, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Y'all thought y'all was getting a brow tutorial today. Go watch that. My products today and my video is going to be linked down in the description. Thank you. So I'm going to take this pink from Box of Crayons and just pop that in my crease. I wanted to add that pink is really like the texture of pink eyeshadow. Like any pink eyeshadow I use is really light and dusty. So you're even going to see me re-go over my brows by the end of this tutorial. It's very easy to work with when blending. I'm really reacting to this eyeshadow because I got this for Christmas, so listen. Just a little side note, I'm not too worried about that bluing liner because I'm putting some glitter on top of it. So, just gonna clean it up. Now I'm going back in with my e.l.f. Poreless primer. I'm going to prime my face. And right here is where my camera cut off. For foundation, I'm using the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F520. This is my first time using it. I'm absolutely in love with it. And then I'm going in with these facial wipes with coconut oil and sea salt from Bolero, Beverly Hills. I would have did this before my primer and foundation, but I didn't see it. And then I'm going back in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour. As you can see, I'm running out of this stuff and I'm not happy. I definitely recommend this product. For contour, I'm using the Graftobian concealer palette. I'm going to go ahead and find that and link it below for you. by the end of my videos, I'm just silly, like, I don't know. I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark to set that concealer. Then I'm going in with the Ben Nye Banana Powder in the shade Neutral. I'm going to set my highlight. Now I'm going to apply some glitter glue, getting set for my glitter. I'm using my NYX Rose Gold glitter. I love it so much. And I forgot to tell you guys about this bomb liquid liner, and it's from Revlon, honey. I got it from Rite Aid, but I'm gonna link it down below. It's amazing. The consistency is very waterproof. Like when I take my makeup off, that's the only thing stay on. So yes, the best black liquid eyeliner I've had in a minute. And to set my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in 355 Coconut. Y'all already know I need somebody to send me some new powder. I'm finally out, so yeah. Now I'm going back into the 39L palette for that poppin' pink shade Reckless, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out under my eyes. I want this shade to really stand out. And I popped on my Morphe lashes from the Get Ready With Me kit. I absolutely love them. They're so cute. To warm up my cheeks, I'm going in with the B.H. Cosmetics 26 Neutrals eyeshadow and blush palette. I'm going in with this Sephora pigment. It's like rose gold. I've had it for a while, so the name has rubbed off the back. Sorry. I'll try to find it for you guys. It's really pretty. And I need to blind you, so actually I'm going to go into Strobin from the 39L palette, and I'm going to blend that on top, and it's going to pop just the way I want it to. And then I went to go highlight my brow bone, but I had to sculpt again, honey, like, get it right. When it comes to blending out pink, you can definitely, like, I don't know, your eyebrows will disappear, like... And today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. And for these lips, I'm using my NYX Soft Matte Cream in the shade London. I've been using this crazy lately. It's so cute. I want some more, so I'll probably go to the store and get some more. And then I'm being creative. I'm taking some brown, I would call this like a coffee. Any type of brown eyeshadow you got, and line my lips, because I'm really trying to go for like a, I don't know, a pink pastel, like the color of my shirt that I'm wearing that day. So yeah, I had fun with it, and it's real cute. I'm gonna add some gloss on top. The gloss that I use, I got this from the hair store. I'm gonna go change and we're done. Thank you, boo, for watching today. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. All the products I use today will be listed down below in the description, so make sure you check that, and I will see you guys soon. Kisses.